Greetings. What if I told you that I could teach you how to make the types of choices to increase your wealth, access ways to have better relationships, prepare and attract the mate designed just for you, connect and collaborate to make effective business moves, increase your thinking, creative power, all through something you already have, your divine feminine power. I'm Jacqueline Brown, and I'm fondly known as Lulu. I'm your master life strategy coach, specializing in divine feminine leadership. I have a question for you. Are you part of the 1% or the 99%? I'm not talking about money. Instead, did you know that those who have a problem in life and think of hiring a coach are the 1%? Those with a problem in their life and don't know that coaching is a solution for them are the 99%. I've always been one that was a little different and eccentric from the time that I was a child. That's how I got the name Lulu. And by doing and being different, I was never part of the 99%. Trust me, when everyone else was going right, I was going left. Why bother with a coach? Because we at Revolution Ascension created space through silence, acknowledgement, acknowledgement of your emotions, and thought of you, the client. This enables a shift of thinking and feeling that you will experience working with us. We are present for our clients' thoughts, emotions, unsaid, challenges, and listening non-judgmentally. Most importantly, we are outside of the box. We do not teach conformance. Rather, we teach positive deviance, stepping outside of the status quo, tapping in to your divine feminine and coming from a place that is all powerful for you and all things that you want in your life. How about navigating the waters without compromise in your life and without conformance to what the world says you should do to receive success? No, I think we're a bit outside of that. So here's another question. Do you have long-term goals? Are those long-term goals moving or not? Are you trying to figure it all out? Well, goals require time and planning. They are not something that you can do this week. Now, are you focused or distracted at this time? Do you feel empowered to prosper beyond this COVID-19 or moving into what people are saying is the new normal? Are you preparing for that? Would you like to know how to build your own personal empowerment arsenal? We'd like to offer you a free 30-minute consultation. We want to help you to develop a bright, shining light that sings to your soul. Schedule your call today using the link below. We look forward to speaking with you. And by the way, welcome to the Revolution Ascension, because the revolution is now being televised. Bye for now.